Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to fix a slow drain like this. Okay, it takes a little while. It works, it just takes a little while. So this is for slow drains because it takes a little while for it to drain. And look, it's draining, you can see. And I'm going to show you my secret. Yep, the easiest secret in the world. And yes, it is the easiest secret in the world to do this. Okay, so now it comes to the part of my secret. Hot water. Yes. All you need is hot water. Get about a gallon to a gallon and a half of hot water. Then put it on your stove and boil it until it rumbles. Okay, so now you're starting to see it start boiling down there. Leave it for a little bit more if you like. But as long as you see a lot of steam coming up, like now, and it's rumble or boil, or you can leave it to rumble boil. And that should be all set. Now we're going to bring it to our sink. Okay, before I throw the hot water down there, if you have one of these that goes on top, if you can take it off, try to take it off. This one, you can just twist it, it comes off, okay? If not, don't worry about it. You're going to need a chopstick. Now, came from like a takeout, okay? Nothing special or anything. We're going to agitate it a little bit, that's all. Okay, so I got my hot water here. Be a little bit careful, just drop down just a little bit, okay? Just to be underneath there, just fill over here. And then try to agitate a little bit. Okay? Just agitate just a little bit. Pour some more again. And see how slow it is? Now it's starting to go through. It's stuck right here still. Agitate a little bit more. Okay. Now throw the whole thing in and let it go through. You see how slow it is right now? It's gonna go through. It's still a little bit slow, but it'll go through. Now leave that alone. So all the stuff will get killed. The reason why most of the time is that because, oh, you hear that? It is still going right now. See it? Now go and flush the hot water and see. Hot water, okay? Because now you're going to use hot water. The other one is just to agitate it. And if you want to clean off the rest of the stuff here, just take your chopstick. They also sell these things. It's like a hair thing at a dollar store. You can probably get one of those. But this trick is for slow down drain only. So basically, we're just cleaning the drain with hot water. And now it's going down like crazy. And just leave it for a little while so it can heat everything up. Because all those gunks, not gunks, but bacteria actually building up there that is actually slowing your drain down. By using hot water, you're actually killing them. And by killing them, they'll let go from the side of the drain. And that's how you're able to get that drain to be nice again. Now it's nice again. Okay? Here's one more tip before I go. Every month, during your cleaning, just boil a hot tub of water and just throw it down there. Easiest cheapest thing in the world. And guess what? You are helping the environment too. Also, do this to your kitchen sink and do this to your tub as well. Okay? Other than that, that's about it on this video. I will see you in the next video.